Yo, what is up? Welcome back. It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video. And today I got a quick one for you. Trying to get this bike, you know, the blue 2024 Road Glide in the back. And we're trying to get it ready for the summertime. Got another upgrade, really cool. I want to show you guys. Let's get it. All right, man. Yes, sir. In the garage, like I always love to be. And as you see, this is the 2024 Road Glide in that beautiful blue burst. Now up there, guys, I'm gonna drop a link of my last video where we went over the colors of the 25 Road Glide and Street Glide. Now, by this time, you guys, the CVOs have dropped, man. They are nasty. We're gonna do a video on that one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But I wanna get this bike ready for the summer. So we're doing some upgrades. And if you guys missed the videos, we've done quite a few things. You guys can see the hand guards right here, the painted windshield right there, screws to actually give it a nice cohesive look. Went with the front flat out bar right there, and then we also went with the rear, and that looks really, really good. A lot more upgrades. Check out the videos, man. You guys will check them out. It'll be awesome. But let's talk about one upgrade that I do not like right here. And as you see, man, and first off, let me show you the new 24. You guys see this compartment right here? I'm gonna press that button. You see how that pops up nice and slow? I absolutely love that. Dope feature on the 24s. I'm gonna press it one more time and you guys see it's a nice slow open. Really, really nice. But what isn't nice, guys, is this inner fairing right here. It looks super cheap. It is a matte finish. And then let's pop out to the bars and the faceplate right here, and that's beautiful, vivid black. So I gotta try to figure out how to get this done. This is about $1,100 job right here to paint this. I don't got that money, so I got an upgrade today that's gonna try to bring this closer together. You see the vivid black right here and the matte finish. So we're gonna try to show you guys a way to kind of make these two coexist together. All right, so check this out, man. I went online and I was able to find this right here. This is the dashboard inner fairing trim. And what it's gonna do is kind of bring things a little bit closer with that matte finish. Let me take it over to the bike real quick so you guys can see kind of what we're gonna do with this. And as you see, it is really gonna just go around and provide a nice trim for the radio right there and give it a little bit of pop. Gonna really bring it out so that shiny vivid black and that matte finish can kind of look like it goes together, right? So we're gonna install this and see how it looks. Yes, sir. Let's go over the installation real quick, man. This is so easy. Anybody can do it. You guys see it is just double-sided tape on the back side, and it is actually a really good material with a nice gloss finish on there. But all we're gonna do is peel that off. But first, we are gonna use 70% alcohol and a nice cotton swab right here. And let's go over and I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna do. All you are gonna do whenever you are using double-sided tape on your motorcycle, make sure you take that alcohol right here, you dip it in that swab and you just run it around the area where you are going to adhere the tape. That is gonna clean it, is gonna make the surface ready to accept that double-sided tape. It's gonna stick perfect. Man, I think that looks really, really good, fellas. Check that out real quick. We're gonna put the bike into the sunlight out here. All right, fellas, so I pulled the bike out and as you see, it's still snowing. I wanna ride so bad. For all you out there who miss your bike, man, God, man, I feel you. I wanna get out there and ride so bad, but all that salt on the road, I can't do it. But I wanna show you the upgrade that I did, man. It looks so good. So let me go on over, don't waste any time. Let me know what you guys think about that. But you see the trim right there and how it really brought everything together. Let me pull back. You see the bars, you see the faceplate right there, and it kind of accentuates off of that and gives it a little bit more balance with that matte finish on the inner fairing right there. I think it's a great upgrade. Yes, sir, and it wouldn't be right if I didn't start the bike up so you guys can see what the trim is gonna look like with everything all lit up. So we're gonna go ahead and hit a start on the bike, and you know I am in love with that screen right there, and that is super awesome with the 24s, 25s, and so forth. Let's go ahead and hit that start. Here we go. All right, now fellas, as you notice, The PSI lights are on right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and click OK to get those off. And that's just because it is super cold outside with the cold temperatures. But I can easily fix that. I've got an air pump in there that I can knock that out. But man, check that out. Let me get a great angle, and you guys can really see how that looks with the trim right there up against this matte finish on the inner fairing. I think it really brought it out. It gave it some new life up front. I am interested to know what you guys think in the comments below. But let me pull back, and you can see the handlebars right there, the faceplate, and then it kind of accents off that trim piece around that kind of brings everything together. We got to hit it from another angle right here, and man, that looks really good. That is a nice accent on there. I'm loving that. It is super inexpensive, but it really gives a great detail to the bike. Now let me pull around and show you fellas, if you missed any of the shows or you're new to the channel, man, these are just some of the upgrades that we did. Our latest was the saddlebag lights right here, guys, and you see they are on point right there. Let me go ahead and turn on a blinker for you so you can see that kind of pulsates when it turns. I think that's kind of nice the way they sync up like that. Another upgrade that we did was we did a shift linkage right here, and that looks really clean. You guys see the floorboards right here with the heel toe shifter, all nice and custom. And again, we went with the front crash bar as well as the rear matching. We got the hand guards up there. We did some custom work with putting some blue screws in there, as well as the blue screws in the hand guards to really bring everything together. So we're trying to get this bike, and hopefully you are getting your bike ready to floss for the summer, man. If you like the footage, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a subscription right there in the channel, man. Wish I could get out here and ride today, but got to get back in here and get warm. So until next time, keep those two wheels down.